Do you need Google AdSense for Ezoic? No, you do not need Google AdSense for Ezoic. However, there are some important details and considerations to understand about Ezoic's relationship with AdSense and how you can use Ezoic effectively. Here is a detailed explanation on everything you need to know. So for starters, let's go over the relationship between Ezoic and Google AdSense. Ezoic acts as an ad optimization platform and integrates with multiple ad networks, including Google AdSense. However, having an AdSense account is not mandatory to join or use Ezoic. Ezoic is a certified MCN partner, which means multiple customer management, meaning it can only directly manage and serve Google Ads on your site without requiring you to have an AdSense account. Ezoic has its own ad demand network that can serve ads from a variety of sources, ensuring monetization without relying on AdSense. Ezoic provides tools for ad testing, layout optimization, and revenue maximizing without needing an AdSense account. Their platform is designed to support new publishers who might not yet qualify for AdSense. Ezoic's machine learning algorithm optimizes ad placements and types for higher revenue, often outperforming standalone AdSense. So in conclusion, you do not need Google AdSense to use Ezoic. While having AdSense may add benefits like increased competition and revenue potential, Ezoic's platform is fully capable of monetizing your website through its ad partners and Google MCM integration. If you're new to website monetization, Ezoic's tools and programs make it a great choice even without AdSense. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.